In today's fast-paced world, protecting your investments is paramount. When it comes to safeguarding your vehicles, there's no better solution than an American-made carport by Allen's Factory Outlet. Let's delve into the myriad benefits of choosing Allen's Factory Outlet for your carport needs. Allen's Factory Outlet prides itself on its commitment to quality craftsmanship. Each carport is meticulously constructed using premium-grade materials sourced right here in the USA, ensuring durability and longevity. No two parking needs are alike. With Allen's Factory Outlet, you have the flexibility to customize your carport to suit your specific requirements. Whether you need extra space for multiple vehicles or additional storage, we've got you covered. From scorching sun to heavy snowfall, our American-made carports are engineered to withstand the harshest of weather conditions. Rest easy knowing your vehicles are shielded from the elements year-round. Investing in a carport from Allen's Factory Outlet not only protects your vehicles but also enhances the aesthetic appeal and resale value of your property. It's a practical and stylish addition that potential buyers will appreciate. Experience the unmatched benefits of an American-made carport by Allen's Factory Outlet today. Protect what matters most and elevate your property with quality you can trust.